So, in Cantaloupe Island, when we go to the D flat, there's one note different in the improvising scale for now. So, as you will recall, F minor blues scale is what we do over the F part. So now when we go to D flat, you're going to basically just forget about C. We're not going to use C anymore. But the rest of the scale is going to remain intact. Okay? So when you're improvising in over the F, now when I go to the D flat, I'm not going to play C anymore. Okay, that's all.
Don't replace it though.
No, we're not going to replace it at this point. No, we're not even going to do that. Okay, so just as a general concept, over any chord you can play any note, but you have to know how to do it. So right now, they're kind of like training wheels. We're just like keeping you in one spot for now until you learn to use it, because that, even though there's only one note difference or you're just omitting a note, the fact that the bass changes to D flat is going to totally screw with your mind. You're going to have, it's the same notes, but all of them are going to sound different than they did a second ago. Like, for instance, this F has a certain relationship to this F down here, but it has a completely different relationship to D flat. It's going to sound different to your ears. When you get into it, you'll understand what I mean, hopefully. Then the only other chord here is D minor, right? So what we're going to do is just play a D minor blues scale. Okay? D, F, G, G sharp, A, C. And this one is quite a bit easier to improvise over, hopefully. Sometimes harder because it's more space, but the rhythm is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you want to practice these individually.
Yeah?